Hey everybody, and welcome back. This is the AlarmSense sounder base, Apollo part number 45681-510 APO. So the thing about this is the AlarmSense one. This will only work with AlarmSense panels and other AlarmSense devices. So the two wire system. So we have videos up on that up on our site there as well if you want to find out a bit more about those systems. But I just wanted to give you just a little look at this. So it's just a sounder base. You have your wired input onto that, and the typical Apollo instructions for wiring the AlarmSense equipment. So it's a bit more in this because it's showing more than just the standard sounder, but you know it's fits on the 2-wire, so it's a pause and egg into that. The second set of outputs is your connections in and out, so you can continue your circuit on that. So, you know, if you're using the AlarmSense stuff, it's an option for a sounder base, but it is just for, very important, it's only compatible with the AlarmSense equipment. Okay, as always, thanks for watching.